Right, ladies and gentlemen, lift kit on. I thought I'd give you a little walk around as Andy wanted the body off. 3D printed Defender bumper with the over the top doobry, number plate recess, a couple of hitches, they're on order. What else has happened on the outside? New bumper at the back because a bit more clearance. Metal bits, I think they were on there last time. Okay, right, body off. Cool. So these little, let me zoom in for it. These little bits here, they're broken actually. One of them's broken, so they work well. Those, I think I might need to print them in a different orientation. Yeah, or I've tightened it. I think the thread snapped on it. Weird. Yeah, these little lift things. I think they'd be alright normally, but that one seems to have bit the dust. Pass. So yeah, they just raise it up. Printed a new body post because the other one I had to trim down in the middle, and then this one actually ended up sailing past. Bit of foam in there. Tray adapted and glued to the top of the servo. Servo's now laying down. Battery up front. Sorry if it's spun round about 10 times the auto rotate. And oh yeah, these are the new pivoting rock sliders to replace these. Coming off. We think that's about it there, Dar. Yeah, nothing else. Oh yeah, these arrived today. Leaf springs for the new trailer, wherever the trailer is. Under it. Yeah. There's.